Lunch today, beef jerky. Simple, light and packed with energy. Perfect for life on the road. Two ice road veterans, Michael and Adam, push across the Arctic in a lone convoy. Stalled on a frozen lake south of the legendary Waterfall Trail, they wait as a northbound convoy clears the path. Parked side by side, they seize a brief break, knowing out here, every second counts.
Dostaliśmy, ja i Michał, właśnie lokalne wilczurki. A my czekamy, aż przyjedzie konwoj. Jest konwoj, jedzie sobie. Tam jest droga taka, wodospad. Oni zjeżdżają z wodospadu.
We're waiting for a convoy of trucks to clear the waterfall before we can proceed. The trucks heading south are loaded, so they have the right of way. Once they're through, we'll make our climb and hope for a clean run up this icy hill.
Michał się musi rozpędzić, bo tam jest droga, dość góra wysoka jest, oblodzona. Także jak się nie rozpędzi, to nie podjedzie, a ja za nim. Poczekamy, aż ten konwój zjedzie. Widzę. Raz, dwa, trzy, cztery, pięć ciężarówek zjeżdża z wodospadu. No ja sobie jeszcze dziurki zjem i jedziemy. Przepyszne.
Chris has successfully cleared the waterfall heading southbound. He'll give a quick greeting and continue on his way. The Canadian Arctic Ocean ice roads are more than just a job. It's a way of life. Out here, every mile tests strength, skill, and courage. This is a world of frozen lakes, brutal storms, and endless white horizons where only the toughest survive. This isn't work, it's survival. Climbing the frozen waterfall, trucks heading south are loaded, while those going north are empty. Loaded trucks always have the right of way. We must make sure we never meet another truck on the waterfall. If we're empty, we wait for the loaded trucks to pass. If we're loaded, they need to let us go first. The south side of the waterfall is the steepest and most challenging to climb. Every truck needs a good run at the hill. The speed has to be just right, not too fast and not too slow. We start picking up speed on the lake well before the waterfall. When we hit the hill, we have to keep that momentum and never hesitate. Michael made it without any problems. Now it's my turn. Let's see if I can pull this off. On camera, this hill doesn't look that big or steep. But trust me, in real life, it's like hitting a wall.
4-14, northbound, 4 trucks.
This stretch of the ice road isn't just tough. It's built right over a frozen waterfall. One wrong move and you're done. To conquer this hill, you've got to hit it hard, build momentum, and pray you make it. Slow down for even a second, and the wheels start spinning, you're stuck. At that point, there's only one option: call in a snowcat from the mine to drag you up. Out here, nothing comes easy. Every climb is a battle. This time I was lucky. I made it up the frozen waterfall. But the fight isn't over. Out here, challenges like this are everywhere, and the Arctic shows no mercy.
Two more northbounds coming at you there, Malenko. Copy. Pause your room, just take your time.
Howdy, brother! Taruś, chodź tu, Taruś. Michał, uważaj, bo idzie do ciebie. Przyszedł do nas nam pomóc w naprawie. Hey, Taruś, you're a good boy. Don't worry about it. You're a good boy. You hungry, eh? Are you hungry? Michał, jest Krys. Jak tam? Dojechałeś? Where we made it? Ty, ale tam ci się ten lód złamał pod kołem, prawie że wleciałeś cały, widziałeś to?
No widziałem, tak puknęło.
Jak rąbnęło?
Widziałeś to?
Ja widziałem lusterkę, jak lód do góry podskoczył.
Tylko ja byłem zajęty czymś innym i nagle nie buduł, kurwa, ja tylko lusterka.
Ja widziałem, jak ten lód leciał, ale ten lód popękany, nie?
Where do you live, Cambridge Bay? Where's that at? North from here.
295
Wait.
kilometers away.
Yeah. 295 kilometers away, right?
Right off Victoria.
And you grew up in there. You were born in Cambridge Bay. Wow. Nice.
Beautiful.
Beautiful place. We'll come visit you in July.
But the sad part is just the beach.
Yeah.
It's like half-hour drive to the beach.
Is it what it is? Half-hour drive? That's still not too bad. You guys go fishing there, right?
What?
You guys go fishing,
Yep.
hunting.
Before it was named Cambridge Bay, it was called That's it's known for fish.
When was that?
In the 1900s.
Now it's only Cambridge Bay.
In the heart of the Arctic, wolves roam the endless ice, silent predators thriving where few survive. Out here, nature is unforgiving, and survival is everything. Sometimes, we ice road truckers cross their path, a fleeting moment where two worlds meet on frozen highways, each fighting the same relentless wilderness. An ice road veteran and longtime friend, giving me a lift back to camp on this freezing day.
Going to the shop? You going back? Are you an Uber driver?
I stole my trailer. I gotta go yell at somebody.
They took your trailers?
Yeah, after I cleaned it all up, and knew exactly how it was built.
Just like that, eh?
And it was parked out front of the shop too.
Oh yeah, you're alive.
This weather, it's
Beautiful, eh? Why is somebody get shot down? We are getting shot down.
it's a little snowy.
Beautiful. There is all driving people.
Good. There's gonna be a few hours to put the tires on this thing, so now I'm gonna bring it back and they can put tires on it. I ain't got doing no things.
For a few days, I had to drive a backup truck, a day cab, while my main rig was in the shop. Comfort? Almost none. Cramped space, zero luxury, every mile felt twice as long. But out here, comfort doesn't matter. What matters is finishing the run without breakdowns and making it back safe. Saddle northbound, another brutal climb with a set of Super B trailers. This hill doesn't forgive mistakes. Chris gave it everything, but halfway up, the brakes locked, and in an instant, his truck jackknifed on the ice. Out here, one slip can turn a climb into a nightmare.
Ha? O, jedzie za nami, z przodu nie ma nikogo? O. Ani drugiego setu też nie założę, bośmy drugi set założyli, nie założysz. No, takie błotniki masz, nie, wciśniemy go tam.
Yellowknife, the gateway to the Arctic, lies about 1,400 kilometers south of the Arctic Ocean. Here, the legendary ice roads begin, stretching across frozen lakes and tundra toward remote diamond mines. These winter routes test drivers' skill, strength, and nerve in one of the harshest environments on Earth.
Ja ciebie nagrywam, ładnie jedziesz przez most. Jedzie coś tam z naprzycinka, żeby mi nie pocisnęło na ciągowym?
Nie, jesteś okej, jesteś okej.
Thanks for riding along with me on this journey across the Arctic ice roads. These pictures tell the real story. Long days, brutal cold, and challenges that push you to the limit. Every mile out here is a battle against nature, and every climb feels like victory. It's not just trucking, it's survival, grit, and respect for this unforgiving land. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more adventures from the edge of the world. Until next time, stay safe and keep chasing the horizon.